At the foothills of the Alps, aluminum radiator factory is redefining energy efficiency with smart battery storage system.
There is our factory where we produce the aluminum radiators and also the PV construction for the mounting systems.
High energy demand, dynamic electricity pricing, and negative tariffs. How to turn challenges into opportunities. 10 CHS2 all-in-one storage units paired with 400 kilowatt solar. Breaking the site constraints of large-scale energy storage projects, enabling flexible deployment around factory to slash costs and maximize self-consumption.
Before we installed the energy storage system, we only had a solar power plant and couldn't take advantage of the different energy prices. We often had to sell energy at a very low or even negative price. With the storage system, we can use all the energy ourselves and sell it when the price is high. We also started offering the balancing service to LS, helping to support the power grid. Because of this, our investment will pay off twice faster.
Energy costs drop 40%, and beyond savings, the SAJ Smart Storage solution becomes a revenue engine, turning idle hours into profit through grid services. Smart storage isn't just economical, it's our pledge to a sustainable world, where industry and nature thrive together. Choose SAJ, where every kilowatt-hour fuels progress.